Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Alright, so there's this news, and this news is actually really interesting. And it says Bitcoin's ROI stands for return on investment, since 2015 outperforms five major indices by 70x, and that is mind blowing. And guess what? This is just from 2015. I have to close this. This is just from 2015, not even when Bitcoin started. 2015. Right, so analyst Justinas Baltrautius Sistis, I don't know how to pronounce that, says Bitcoin's return on investment from 2015 to 2020 puts the digital asset ahead of many traditional markets. You see, now I don't want to take you all through the whole mumbo jumbo talk, but here's the chart right here. Return on investment ROI, Bitcoin has done well over 3,456% between 2015 and now. Now, guys, hope you're taking note of the time. Within the past couple of years, between 2015 and date, Bitcoin has been moving by mere, low belief. Just few people know about Bitcoin, right? And the knowledge about Bitcoin has been extremely low within the past few years. Now, here's the thought: if Bitcoin has grown this much because of ignorance, what will happen in the next couple of years? Because the world is heading towards digital finance. Now, and speaking of digital finance or decentralized finance, there's something called DeFi, and maybe in a later video I'll talk about DeFi. And one of the DeFi, or the most popular DeFi, is actually called Compound, and it got listed on OKX. OKX is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and I think they have one of the biggest trading volume. So the cryptocurrency, which is a native token for the platform, for the Compound DeFi, the name is Comp, was listed on OKX, and Comp has really been doing well within the past few weeks. Yeah, it has seen massive growth, right? So guys, in the next couple of years, you're going to see massive increase, massive surge in the price of cryptocurrencies, because they've been doing well when people didn't know about it. Now, ask yourself what's going to happen when people start knowing about it. Now, let me show you guys something real quick. If you've been following my channel, you should know about this. Now, it's called dollar cost averaging. Right, so I'm doing this. I'm saying this because of this news right here. What happened within 2015 and date. Now, dollar cost averaging just means you invest in a certain amount of Bitcoin every day or every month or every week, and then getting to know what your return would be. Now, assuming you've been investing $10 worth of Bitcoin within the past uh, 9 years every week, you would have made 74,000% increase on your investment, right? So I have a video that explains more about this. Please to make sure you check the top of this video. You see it popping up at the top, and also don't forget to like and subscribe this video, right? And one more thing, someone asked me how high can Ethereum go, and what I just did was I went to CoinMarketCap to pull out this. Now, when when cryptocurrency started and people were pushed by ignorance to invest in cryptocurrency, from Ponzi scheme, from pyramid scheme, from different scams, the price of cryptocurrency went surging. And when it did, the dominance of Ethereum was increasing, right? But when it almost got to the top and Bitcoin and Ethereum almost met, see, as you can see, the dominance of Bitcoin was 37%, Ethereum was 31%. That was when the ICO scams now busted, and all the old Ponzi scheme bubble busted. And as you can see right here, it says this news came out in 2018. It says new study says 80% of ICOs conducted in 2017 were scams. So because 80% of those ICOs were scams and they were using cryptocurrencies, most of those guys, let's see the date right here. So as you can see, this is 2017. Most of those ICOs were built on Ethereum. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to say Ethereum is a scam, right? Of course, Ethereum is good. That is why those projects were built on Ethereum. And then when the entire space noticed that those guys were scammed, they started selling off. And as they were selling off, the market capitalization and the market dominance of Ethereum started reducing. And it's been stable, it's been relatively going sideways. And I actually expect this to, you know, go back up when Ethereum 2.0 launches, right? So I also I've done a video about Ethereum, stating how Ethereum is going to hit $2,000. Please make sure you check out that video, and I'm going to drop it at the top so you can check it out. Alright guys, that's all I have for you this morning. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video. See ya.